Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at reshaping data in R, or we can say pivoting in melting the data. In real world data analysis, we often need to restructure the data from wide format to long format and vice versa. This process is called reshaping data. In this video, we will cover understanding wide versus the long format, reshaping data using the pivot longer function, reshaping the data using the pivot wider function, and using melt and decast from reshape 2. And we'll look at practical use cases of this also. So let's start. Firstly is understanding wide versus the long format. So in wide format, each row represents a unique entity and columns store different observations. Whereas in long format, each row represents a single observation with multiple variables stacked vertically. So if we take example data for a wide format, this is how it will look like. We have rows representing unique entity, and then we have columns having our different observations. And when we take example data for long format, we have rows with single observation with multiple variables stacked vertically. Next, we have reshaping data using the pivot longer function. What it will do, it will convert wide format into long format. Here we will use the TIDYR package that provides an efficient way to reshape the data. So what we are doing, firstly, we are creating a sample data frame for the wide format. This is how we will create it. In the next step, we are converting the wide format into the long format using the pivot longer function. This converts multiple year columns into two columns, year and value. As you can see here also, column year and column value. Next is reshaping data using the pivot wider function. It converts long format to wide format. So now let's convert it. What this statement does, it just simply reconstruct the original wide format for the data we had converted into the long format in the previous example. Next is using melt and decast from reshape 2. So the older versions of R use the reshape 2 package. So the first set of statements is for converting wide data to long using the melt function. And the next statement is for converting long data to wide using the decast function. TIDYR is now preferred over reshape 2, but both work efficiently, whereas the new package is more reliable and easy to use as compared to reshape 2. Now when it comes to practical use cases, so wide format is used for machine learning models and spreadsheets, and long format is used for data visualization and statistical modeling. So these were the use cases for these two types of data, wide format and long format. And now we have understood it. So in the next part, we will move towards working with dates and time in R. So if you liked the video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.